This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 15 of Building Robocop. In this issue we're continuing the foot after looking at the role of the media in the films, the history. Yeah, iMedia has obviously got quite an important role in lots of things. But, obviously in the launch of the film. So yes, the left foot, part 3 of the left foot. We're continuing that. We're basically putting the sole on the bottom of the foot and the toe piece. Nice and easy, no difficulties expected there. So we'll see what happens. And that's that. Then I think we're going to continue on with foot next time. We're building up the leg. Military robots, yeah, little bomb disposal things and tanks and stuff. Good stuff. Atmospheric energy, getting energy from the atmosphere. Renewables are always interesting to look at. So yeah, that'd be good. I might go back and read through those. So that's that. Let me clear this out of the way and let's get this foot attached. So here we have the parts supplied in this issue, some screws and 2 metal plates, and the foot from the previous time. Now I have made an adjustment to this. You may have noticed, you may not, I didn't. I put the spring into the wrong place. I put it down here. It needs to be on the middle one. It just looks better anyway, and obviously the foot sole attaches in these 5 places. So that's what we need to do now. Put that in place with 5 screws, and then 2 more screws for the toe sole. I don't know, what do you call the bottom of the toes? Just the bottom of the toes, I would expect. That's probably quite a descriptive term. Does the job. 3, 4, 5, and another 2. I knew there's going to be more I'm going to need. 1, 2. There we go. That's those. So this then holds the spring in place and holds the toe bit lined up in there. So that needs to get that lined up and pushes in place. So you've got the movement for the toes there. Obviously the 5 screws are needed to hold that together. Get one in the middle. That's not the best of screwdrivers, so let's go to again. Fits in the screws a bit better. Put that in there. Over there. I'll get these all in, but I shall go back and tighten them up when I've finished. No point in doing everything in front of you. You know what it looks like when I tighten up screws. It just looks like this, but longer. It takes more time to do. So nothing exciting happening. So I'll just won't bore you with the details. That's that. This then goes over there like so, and that is held in place with the final 2 screws that I got out. All the same type of screws on this. Nice and easy when the build makes it easy for you like that. So there's that, and there's that one in there. So that is that. That's another issue complete. Another week done. The foot obviously building up along the ankle. It's the left foot, almost in the same place as we got to on the right foot many weeks ago. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more foot action very soon. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.